My name is Nophiwa Nicolette Nzamu. My company name is Buhle Bekhaya. I'm a director of this company. I'm a founder of this company. This company is dealing with designing and sewing. This business is based at Wembezi Township. I learned at Upskill African Initiative with Certificate of Designing and Sewing. Dealing with church uniforms, formal wear, wedding wear, traditional attires, and sleepwear, also nursing uniform. I love to wear the fashion style, like formal, casual, and I like to see people wearing formal. I like always to look smart. If I go to the function, then I see someone wearing with my fashion or my style, I'm feeling very happy because I know that person is still presenting this business. In men's, I do pants and suits. I trained at Upskill in 2019. I did benefit a lot of things from Upskill's African Initiative. This school is in Durban, but I'm staying in Estcourt. It was very, very difficult to me to get a transport from here in Estcourt. As you know, from here to Durban, it's 2 hours drive or more. I used to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Then I left this house at 5 o'clock, going to hiking spot. In the morning, every day, there was a pastor, David, was teaching us to read the Bible. I learned different languages from different students because there are more foreigners from around the country. I used to speak the Swahili, Shona language, Arabic language, Chewa. I realized that we can be friends with different people. I'm learning from different people as I speaking 7 languages. People can contact me on WhatsApp number 078-053-4971. And I'll also even have the email address, says buhlebekaya@gmail.com.
My name is Mohammed, Imam of the Muslims in Estcourt in Wembezi. I came across Buhle Bekhaya. That's where I saw that Buhle Bekhaya is able to sew our also dress. We are doing very fine work which are corresponding between the Muslims and the Christians at Buhle Bekhaya.
This is a catalog that I'm busy with. This is a church uniforms. This is the formal style. This is the fashion. This is the graduation attire. As you see, the hoodies here.